Gorgeous, completely updated 5-bedroom, 4-bath home with 3,180 square feet located on beautiful Lake Hartwell. Sold completely furnished. Boat and golf cart may be purchased separately. Shiplap walls, tongue and groove ceilings. Whole house water filter and low maintenance landscaping. Outdoor shower. Great room with open floor plan, hardwood floors and a wood burning fireplace overlooking the lake. Hardwood floors, tile and seagrass carpet. Kitchen has custom cabinets, granite countertops, an island/breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances, including cooktop, convection/oven, built-in microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator. Wet bar/coffee bar with refrigerator. The spacious master suite also overlooks the lake and features a spacious bath with dual vanities and oversized tile shower. Glass shower surrounds in all baths. Large open deck with concrete sidewalk leading down to the covered dock with lift and easy steps on deep water, year-round. Double detached carport, yard is completely fenced in for your pets. Fire pit area. Perfect full-time home or great weekend home for the family. Short drive to downtown Hartwell to grab a nice dinner or do some shopping.